I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious steak hache. We'll start by selecting the right ingredients to ensure a flavorful result. For the best steak hache, always opt for fresh ground beef with a fat content of at least 15%. This provides excellent juiciness. You'll need about 1 pound of beef, which is perfect for 2 or 3 generous servings. Don't forget basic seasonings like salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little olive oil for cooking. Next, let's focus on forming your steak hache patties. Begin by gently dividing your 1 pound of ground beef into 2 or 3 equal portions, depending on your desired serving size. Carefully shape each portion into a flat, round patty, aiming for a thickness of about 1 inch. A helpful trick is to make a small, shallow indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging in the middle during cooking, ensuring even doneness. Now it's time to cook your steak hache to perfection. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet like cast iron over medium-high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your patties in the pan. Sear them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. Remember, you can adjust the cooking time to achieve your preferred level of doneness, from rare to well done. Finally, the crucial step of resting your steak hache before serving. Once your patties are cooked to your liking, remove them from the hot skillet and place them on a plate or cutting board. It's essential to let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and moist bite. Serve your delicious steak hache immediately with classic sides, perhaps a fried egg or some crispy frites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.